Analysts see 2 cents EPS for AppFolio, APPF. Regent Investment Management has lifted Celgene, CELG, position. Analysts expect AppFolio Inc., Nasdaq APPF, to report 2 cents EPS on November 6. They anticipate 5 cents EPS change or 166.67% from last quarter's $0.03 EPS. APPF's profit would be $679,487, giving it 585.00p/E if the 2 cents EPS is correct. After having 8 cents EPS previously, AppFolio Inc.'s analysts see -75.00% EPS growth. About 156,638 shares traded. AppFolio Inc., Nasdaq APPF, has risen 112.92% since October 25, 2016 and is uptrending. It has outperformed by 96.22% the S&P 500. Regent Investment Management LLC increased Celgene Corp., CELG, stake by 15.7%, reported in 2017 Q2 SEC filing. Regent Investment Management LLC acquired 7,095 shares as Celgene Corp., CELG, S stock declined 3.49%. The Regent Investment Management LLC holds 52,284 shares with $6.79 million value, up from 45,189 last quarter. Celgene Corp now has $93.17 billion valuation. The stock declined 1.04% or $1.25, reaching $119.09 on the news. About 5.09 M shares traded. Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG, has risen 17.00% since October 25, 2016 and is uptrending. It has outperformed by 0.30% the S&P 500. Among 30 analysts covering Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG, 23 have buy rating, 1 sell and 6 hold. Therefore 77% are positive. Celgene Corporation had 96 analyst reports since July 21, 2015 according to SRatingsIntel. The rating was maintained by GEMP Securities with market outperform on Wednesday, March 9. The rating was downgraded by Robert W. Baird to neutral on Friday, October 20. Canaccord Genuity maintained the stock with buy rating in Thursday, July 27 report. Oppenheimer maintained the shares of CELG in report on Wednesday, June 14 with buy rating. The firm earned buy rating on Monday, October 23 by Guggenheim. Morgan Stanley downgraded Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG, on Thursday, October 5 to underweight rating. Robert W. Baird maintained it with buy rating and $162.0 target in Tuesday, September 19 report. Jefferies initiated Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG, rating on Wednesday, September 9. Jefferies has buy rating and $140 target. As per Friday, October 20, the company rating was maintained by Cowen Co. Standpoint Research initiated Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG, on Thursday, January 14 with buy rating. Investors' sentiment increased to 1.34 in Q2 2017. It's up 0.21, from 1.13 in 2017 Q1. It is positive, as 60 investors sold CELG shares while 390 reduced holdings. 110 funds opened positions while 494 raised stakes. 602.51 million shares or 1.81% more from 591.78 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. UBS Asset Americas has 5.96 million shares for 0% of their portfolio. Chilton Cap Management Limited Liability Company has invested 1.14% in Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG. Essex Financial Services owns 26,815 shares. Renaissance GP Ltd holds 241,889 shares or 1.15% of its portfolio. Intrust National Bank and Trust NA holds 0.52% of its portfolio in Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG, for 11,702 shares. Cyprus Asset MNGMT Inc. TX stated it has 14,225 shares or 0.38% of all its holdings. BlackRock reported 56.73 M shares. 21,609 are owned by systematic LP Beck Mac Oliver Ltd has invested 0.03% of its portfolio in Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG. Richard Bernstein Advisors Ltd company accumulated 18,253 shares. Fairfield Bush & Co owns 13,080 shares or 0.54% of their U.S. portfolio. Marathon MNGMT, a Maryland-based fund, reported 17,450 shares. Susquehanna INTL LLP has 0.01% invested in Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG. Gofen and Glossberg Ltd IL, Illinois-based fund, reported 427,943 shares. Parkside Retail Bank and Trust, Missouri-based fund, reported 574 shares. Since June 15, 2017, it had 0 insider buys, and 3 selling transactions for $2.36 million activity. 5,000 Celgene Corporation, Nasdaq CELG, shares with value of $625,000 were sold by Friedman Michael A. The insider KC Michael D sold $1.16 million. Shares for $575,038 were sold by Vesey Rupert on Thursday, June 15. Appfolio, Inc. is a provider of industry-specific, cloud software solutions for small and medium-sized businesses in the property management and legal industries. The company has market cap of $1.59 billion. The company's mobile-optimized software solutions enable its clients to work at any time and from anywhere across multiple devices. It has a 1715.54 P/E ratio. The company's property management software provides small and medium-sized property managers with an end-to-end solution to their business needs.